I'll be honest with you. I'm probably going to buy it. I'm probably going to buy it. Like, I'm not going to lie. I'm probably going to buy their tri-foldable phone when it comes out. Because I'm a sheep, I guess. I don't know. Samsung's first tri-foldable phone patent revealed here. Now, here's the thing, okay? By the time this comes out, because this is not coming out anytime soon, right? The rumors are next year they might do a rollable phone, they might do tri-foldable, but they also might do a rollable phone next year. There's talks about that. I don't think the tri-foldable phone comes out next year. I think that might come out the year after that. I know that I did make a video before talking about it could come out next year. But if I'm being honest with my personal prediction, I think they try a rollable phone because it's a little bit less of a risk. And then they go tri-foldable phone. Now, in all honesty, no matter what foldable phone they go with outside of, a regular foldable, this is only going to be released in China or South Korea. And South Korea is where their headquarters is. So that's where it's probably going to get released. And it's going to be very limited, very expensive, and impossible to get, right? But even with that being said, I don't know. I'm just excited because by the time they release this, I feel like the technology will be a tad bit better than what we saw out of the Huawei Mate XT. Because now there's rumors that that's going to go international and that's going to go global, which already is insanely crazy to say because I don't know how well that's going to do. But hey, I'm all for the using innovation and moving things forward. So yeah. But we got a tri-foldable phone here. We got a humongous inside display, or I guess main display, and then two outside displays, which are very thin and small, kind of like the Z Fold 5 was, or Z Fold, actually not 5, Z Fold 3 and 4. The 5 got a little bit bigger, but the 3 and 4 was very long and thin. Now, here's where the weirdness kicks in. So this is what it looks like when it fully closes. So it just pushes together, which, okay, I guess I understand. You got a hinge here, right? You got a hinge here, and then you got the 3 displays. When it is in this mode, which looks like a regular foldable cell phone, right? But the thing is, and it's hard to see this, but I guess it folds on the back of this phone right here. So the extended display folds on the back of this one. I know it looks like it's just one display, but it's actually 2 put together right here. And then this is the extended one. So that one right there is this one. This one right here, you can see the hinge. It folds on the back of the main one. So obviously, if we go back here, this is the one. You can see the hinge right here. It folds here, and then this folds in, which... okay. Yeah, I still don't think this will ever go mainstream, a tri-foldable cell phone. But hey, I mean, it is what it is. Shout out to Microsoft Power User for posting this, Android Headlines for posting this. I will go ahead and leave a link down below the description to this article if you'd like to check it out yourself. But first tri-foldable phone from Samsung, we got the patent.